Hi boys and girls, today for writing we're going to be looking at our packet. If you are in the paper packet, it's going to be on page 11. If you are on the digital packet, you can go to the reading activities and then scroll down to page 9. And we're going to be looking at this first square in our kindergarten writing choice board. So this week, for writing, we're going to be talking about persuading someone to do something. So let's read what it says. What would happen if people are not being quiet when others are working or learning from home? Write a note or make a sign that will persuade others to help. Now, persuade means you're convincing someone to do what you need them to do. So we're going to make a poster or a note that convinces someone that they really need to be quiet when we're trying to get our work done. So Miss Myers is going to make a poster. Now, when we make a poster, it's not like writing a letter or a book. Words can kind of go wherever you want them to go. So on a poster, you're going to want something that goes right in the middle, like a focal point where people know exactly what you need from them. So we're trying to convince people to be quiet while we're working. What could I write in the middle that tells people what I need them to do? What if I told them quiet time? It's very clear and concise. People see it and they see it is now quiet time. So right in the middle, I'm going to use my marker and we're going to start our poster. But before we get started, we need to put our name on our paper. We put our name and then we put our date. April 20th, 2020. Now our paper's ready. So right in the middle, we need to give a big focal point that says quiet time. We know Q and U are buddies. They go together. Quiet time. And then long I has a silent E at the end. Now, since this is the middle, I'm going to give it a little bubble so people don't lose what I'm trying to say. Now, if I want people to be quiet, I need to give them some reasons why they need to be quiet. So I know that if I'm quiet, my work is better. It's really hard to work when people are noisy and distracting you. So a reason that we can tell our family to be quiet when it's time to work, or if your parents are trying to work, because we get better work done. So let's just, count that out. I can do better work. I do better work too when it's quiet. So that was 5 words. Let's put it on our poster. I do better work. Don't forget your period and your spaces between each word. Now the first word is I. We know I is always a capital at the beginning of a sentence. I do, sight word, better. Let's stretch that one. Better. And then we write what we hear. Better. Work. 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 I do better work. What's another reason that we need to be quiet when people are working or when they need to be quiet when we're working? It's just kind to be quiet when others are working so they can focus. So it is being kind. We want to be kind to our family when we're all trying to get our work done, especially right now when we have to work from home. So let's count that again. It is being kind. That's 4 words. It is being kind. Don't forget your period. Don't forget your finger spaces. Now let's write it. At the beginning of a sentence, we always start with a capital letter. It is, these are both sight words, so we know how to spell them correctly. Being. Ooh, let's stretch that one. Being. Being. It is being kind. Kind. Now, I don't know if you know if it's a C or a K, but this one's a K. Kind. What's another reason that our friends and family, probably not our friends, our family should be quiet during work time? Do you get to play when your work is done? I bet you do. So when your work is done, you get to play. So if you get your work done faster, you'll get to play sooner. And again, it's hard to work when people are being noisy and loud. So another reason we can remind our family to be quiet during work time is because we get to play when we're done. When I'm done, I can play. That's 6 words. When I'm done, I can play. So I'm going to put that one over here. When I'm done, I can play. Period. Don't forget the period in your finger spaces. Now let's start at the beginning. When. When. We always start with a capital. When I'm I can, sight word, we know that one, play. Now let's think of one more reason why you should be quiet when it's time to work. I bet you can come up with that one on your own. Another thing that posters have is that they're colorful, so they grab your attention. So let's add some color to our poster. I think at the bottom where it talks about being kind, I'm going to draw some hearts. So that way when I look at it, I remember that this one is about being kind. This one is about doing better work. What can I draw to remind me to do my best work when it's quiet? A pencil. I think that's a great idea. There's my yellow. Ooh, I could also draw a piece of paper to remind me to do my best work. And I'll put my name on it. Now, boys and girls, when you make your poster, I want you to find ways to make it as colorful as you can so that you can grab your family's attention so that they know it's time to be quiet. So boys and girls, now I'm going to take my poster and I can hang this on the door so that my husband James knows that when this is up, it's quiet time and he won't interrupt me when I'm trying to do my best work, when he's trying to be kind to me, when I finish, I get to have my own free time. So this is going to remind everyone in my family that we need to be quiet so that we can help each other get our best work done. Boys and girls, once you make your poster or your note, I want you to take a picture and I want you to send it to me. I can't wait to see all of the great things that you create.